Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some creative and practical ways to decorate your study table in your room. A study table is a space where you spend a lot of time working, studying and being productive. So it's important to create a comfortable and inspiring atmosphere. So let's dive in and explore some exciting study table decor ideas. Section 1 is organization. First, let's talk about organization. Keeping your study table clutter free is essential for productivity and focus. One way to achieve this is by using desk organizers such as pen holders, paper trays, and file organizers. Another idea is to use a bulletin board or a pegboard to hang notes, to-do lists, and reminders. This will keep your desk space clear while keeping your important papers and notes within reach. Section 2, Inspiration. Next, let's explore some inspiration ideas. Adding a few inspiring elements to your study table can help boost your productivity and creativity. You can use things like motivational quotes, artwork, or even plants. One idea is to create a vision board and place it on your desk. This can include pictures of your goals, motivational quotes, and images that inspire you. Another option is to use a framed artwork or a poster with a positive message to keep your motivative. Section 3 is lighting. Finally, let's discuss some lighting ideas. Good lighting is essential for a comfortable and productive study environment. You can use a combination of natural and artificial light source to create a well lit and inviting workspace. One idea is to place your desk near a window to take advantage of natural light. You can also use a desk lamp or a floor lamp with a warm, soft glow to create a cozy atmosphere. Another option is to use fairy light or string light to add a touch of whimsy and ambience to your study. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this study table decor ideas inspiring and helpful. Remember, creating a comfortable and inspiring workspace is essential for productivity and focus. If you have any other idea or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe our